When slowing down for junctions, lights or roundabouts, do you slow down going through the gears as well as using the foot brake, or do you slow down and change to second gear, or first if stopping? I could be in sixth gear and be coming up to a roundabout, then block change to second gear if it's clear to go. If it's not clear, do first gear then wait for a safe gap.
Slow down using your brakes, and then adjust your gear accordingly.
I brake until I'm at about 25 miles per hour and then change straight to second gear, because that way you are prepared to go if it is clear. If it isn't, you can then change to first gear.